Microsoft Azure Fundamentals tutorial. How do I study for the Azure Fundamentals? Microsoft Azure Fundamentals tutorial will give foundational level knowledge of cloud solutions as well as exactly how those solutions are supplied with Microsoft Azure. The course can be taken as an optional primary step in finding out about cloud services as well as Microsoft Azure, prior to taking more Microsoft Azure or Microsoft Cloud Services training courses. There are a ton of sources to aid with your examination prep work. Microsoft recommends utilizing its online platform, Microsoft Learn, which offers learning courses as well as modules you can check out at your own rate completely free. Azure Fundamentals Discovering Path is the recommended training course to prepare the AZ900 examination. Microsoft Azure Fundamentals tutorial will cover basic cloud computing principles as well as basic cloud computer versions and also services such as public, private as well as cross-breed cloud and also infrastructure as a service, IaaS platform as a service, PaaS, and software as a service, SaaS. It will certainly additionally cover some core Azure services and also services, in addition to vital Azure pillar services concerning security, privacy, compliance and count on. It will lastly cover rates and also support solutions readily available with Azure. This program will teach you the basics of Azure as well as will certainly prepare you for the AZ900, Microsoft Azure Fundamentals Accreditation Exam. About Microsoft Azure Fundamentals Tutorial Certification. Microsoft Azure Fundamentals Tutorial is a possibility to prove understanding of cloud ideas, Azure services, Azure workloads, protection, and privacy in Azure, along with Azure pricing as well as support. Candidates must be familiar with the general innovation ideas, including principles of networking, storage, compute, application support, and application growth. Learning objective. Understand cloud principles. Learn more about core Azure solutions. Master protection, personal privacy, compliance, as well as depend on. Understand Azure pricing and support. Significance of Microsoft Azure Fundamentals training in 2021. The Microsoft Azure Fundamentals tutorial has been created by Microsoft particularly for individuals starting to work with cloud-based remedies as well as solutions. However, without market experience, the Azure Principles certification isn't always sufficient to guarantee a job. Azure Fundamentals accreditations like the AZ900 are excellent for any type of prospect taking their very first steps into technology or thinking about a career modification and embracing a brand new specialism in certifications. There is no such requirement for taking one of the Azure certifications, and also a candidate requires a practical understanding of technology principles. To start with, Azure training facility in UAE, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah. If you are looking for Microsoft Azure Fundamentals tutorial in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah in UAE, you are reading the right article. Zabeel Institute has designed the best Microsoft Azure Fundamentals training. Zabeel Institute is well known for delivering several successful batches for Azure Fundamentals training every year. Zabeel ensures to help all students with all sorts of assistance for their brilliant performance in the exam. Zabeel Institute, established in 1988, is a leading educational and training institute for executives in Dubai. Zabeel Institute is by the KHDA and Ministry of Education UAE. Zabeel offers training programs to professionals from various industries like airlines, travel and tourism, engineering, construction, accounts and finance, information technology, logistics, languages, and management. For further information, please contact phone 00971 43974 WhatsApp 009715052585501. Email mail@zabeelinstitute.ae. Website www.zabeelinstitute.ae. Inquiry https://zabeelinstitute.ae/inquire/